It was part of the program Cultural Participation for Heritage Regeneration, in which the Danish Institute is involved with in this kind of project. So it's kind of big project with small targets. One of these targets was a competition called Art in the City. So this competition was aimed to putting, let me say, artwork in all districts to enhance the involvement of the locals who are inhabited in this kind of districts, as well as the other one, the observer. We just in terms of artworks, but to consider the city as a big, huge, enormous piece of art, full of details, whether they are socially driven, architecturally, urban, in urban design. So it's full of beautiful moments, let me say. The windows, the openings that used to be here in Sarouja, and it's also mentioned that the opening scene in Sarouja was the laboratory of the openings that was evolved in Damascus. You will find like different, for example, the Ayyubids, Mamluks, Ottoman, and French. So there's different types of buildings. It started solid, small, with small projections, and now it started to get wider and wider with more ornaments and colorful glasses and so on. And this one really focused on the windows over there. Still, the area still has a lot of important buildings, with just like tomb buildings, like mosques, demolished mosques, memories, personalities, and all that. So we have observed the area, and we liked it. We like to do that here in Sarouja.
It's up there.
Yes, and I think that you have seen also that one next to Ghazal Hotel that talks about the stone, which is Tomb al-Najmiya. It was one of the first constructed tombs here in the area. So this is kind of the oldest building that talks about the Shamia school, which is located here, and it talks about the changes that have been made on the Shamia school, because it used to be larger. It used to have more plot as a plot for the school, but now it has been cut. The street also has affected it, and these changes are mentioned here.
And the school is here?
That would, if you can see the other road at the end with the stairs, this is the original route. It used to be passing, and it's quite obvious because this is an important building. The main roads used to be passing next to the important building, not used to the residential one. District is really have a special case because it used to be the luxurious suburb of Damascus, and now it's nothing. It's just surrounded with huge concrete buildings who are forming like a wall, similar to the wall of Damascus, but in a different manner. And then you have this old fabric threatened district in the middle, which are a lot of places in this area are just threatened to be. It may collapse. It may demolish. There are a lot of options.